Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your short is vertical and under 60 seconds. Format matters because YouTube short algorithms favor vertical MP4s. Once ready, open the YouTube app and tap the plus sign to create a short. Add your clip and trim as needed. Next, choose Captions. Let YouTube auto-generate for speed or prepare an SRT file for accuracy. You should start the caption option, now so timing and text align with speech before you publish the short. Once you have captions, go into YouTube Studio's editor to refine them. This is where accuracy saves viewer retention. If you uploaded an SRT, check each cue and shift start or end times to match the audio. If you used auto captions, correct misheard words and split long lines. Make sure to sync punctuation and speaker pauses so captions appear naturally. You'll fine-tune duration and line breaks until each caption stays on screen long enough to read comfortably. Before publishing, preview the short with captions toggled on and off. Check on phone and tablet to ensure readability and placement. Once satisfied, publish and monitor watch time and retention to confirm captions improved engagement. If viewers report missing or incorrect captions, re-upload a corrected SRT or use the editor to update text. Clearing the app cache or forcing a refresh can resolve display bugs. And if auto captions keep failing, switch to manual SRT uploads for reliable results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.